We are now gridding up for the half and half-mile run. The cars over here on the right are all set up for the mile run. The cars here on the left are doing the half-mile run. So, yeah, everybody is.
Channel 5, this is on Channel 5. I've been talking to Rico.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we finished the mile run. Now we're supposed to go to like this welcome race fans get together at this Stardust ranch, and there's a big sign up there that says girls, so we're not sure what this place is, but we're gonna go in and check it out. Well, everybody, so after we finished 2 of the mile runs, on the 3rd run the car would not start. It finally kicked over. We got done with the 3rd one, and then it wouldn't start again, so we actually had to push start it. So we've now got this thing up on jack stands in our motel parking lot. The starter, by the way, will come out in a factory 5 type 65302. It actually comes out between the back of the motor. You cannot get it out underneath. It's got to come up, and it just barely fits. So that's a tip for everybody. So we've got a new starter we picked up from Napa. We're going to throw that in and hope for the best. Oh, and the new starter's in. It took us about hold on, let me look at the time. About 30 minutes, maybe, I'm guessing, a little over 30 minutes to get the starter out, battery changed. I mean, the battery disconnected, new starter in, fired up. 30 minutes, give or take. So
Is that fired up?
that's NASCAR. Oh wait, he's gonna fire it up. Listen to this. We got a starter. Yeah, sweet. Back in business. Jose, so in continuation of the weekend here, we've got a car show / we're going to do a parade in town. And guess what? There's a Vector here. Look at this thing. When's the last time you've seen a Vector? I don't think I've ever seen one. Pretty badass. But yeah, you got Jags here, you got old Mustangs, Firebird, we got old Porsches, new Porsches, Mustangs, a lot of Dodges. We got one of the big Mustangs there, 71-3. A lot of newer Mustangs, Camaros. Even an Explorer that's going to run. So yeah, a whole bunch of cars. We'll just kind of walk you on down here. There'll be a car show tomorrow, so it's actually a couple of Caddies, so a lot of Corvettes. I love this red Porsche. That thing is clean. Old school, flared rear quarters. No doubt. Nice car.
Sound of the engine very well during this parade of cars through the town of Ely. I figured I would fill everybody in, let you know exactly what goes on here. By the way, that is a Vector. By the way, it did break down on the return lap, just saying. So the town of Ely has had some really good times and I guess some really rough times. They're basically a mining town, heavy into the copper, and they were once 15,000 people recently. They're down to about 5,000 now. The town has definitely seen some rougher times. So the whole point of the Nevada Open Road Challenge and Silver State Classic is all the funds are nonprofit. I mean, it all goes to sending some of their kids to college. So it all goes to a good cause. None of it is wasted. they turned back all that money to help the town out and the people in the town. So a couple of things they do is, one of them, they do a parade through the town. I think it was Saturday night, but don't quote me on that because I forget now. And you basically, I think we had 4 huge bags of candy, and you're just throwing candy to all these kids as they're lining the street. It's like everybody in the town is lining the streets as you're driving through. Really cool thing, and makes you feel really good about yourself because, you know, they're happy to see the cars. The kids are happy to get some candy. The parents are out there. You're waving to everybody. So it really definitely was a very nice experience. I really enjoyed that, and looking forward to getting back one day and do it again, because the town definitely needs some help. They could use some tourism, and they're trying to work on some things. They're building some mountain bike trails and things like that. So we'll let this video come to an end. The next one's going to be the race and the afterwards. So thanks again. Hit subscribe.